Hello everybody, it is Rita here from All Secure. I am actually reporting from beautiful Kenosha Pass at 10,400 feet I'm at right now. Just up at the top of the pass here. Why am I up at the top of Kenosha Pass? I mean, other than it's an absolutely stunning day to get out of the office and go drive around into the mountains. But today I had the opportunity to go see some friends down in Fairplay who have a couple different places down there, and they are having some issues with their cameras. Their cameras aren't picking up everything. They've got some old coax stuff, and they're just getting really blurry and they can't really see them, and then they're not placed very well either. We've got a couple blind spots where unfortunately we're up here in the mountains, and so they're getting some slip and fall accidents, and that really sucks for them because then people think that they're responsible because there's ice on the ground in the mountains. Who'd have thought? But we're going to get them some much better cameras. The ability to view it on their phone is, I think, the #1 ability for them. So we're going to make sure that we switch them over from a digital video recorder to a networked video recorder. We're going to take their coax and transfer it into network cables, and then get them some new cameras with some beautiful AI in it that'll be able to recognize license plates and read license plates. So when somebody's coming through and breaking stuff, they know who that was. It'll help them find persons of interest in different times. It'll help them be able to see timestamps in their recordings and say, okay, well, here's action and here's action. Okay, let's go to these places in the video. Instead of having to watch the whole video overnight of what happened in 5-minute increments. What a pain. We want to make it easy for them to be able to use their system. So I love visiting these areas that are far outlying because some of these people don't even lock their vehicles. They don't lock their cars. They don't lock their houses. And so to be able to bring them security into beautiful areas like this that I love to visit is one of my favorite things. So if you know people who are out in outlying areas in Colorado and it's a beautiful day, let them know about me, and I will totally come and see what they've got and how we can make them all secure. See you guys later. Have a great day.